Before we start our tutorial, we want to make it 100% clear to all of our users that we, the publishers of this software, feel that all penny stocks are terrible investments. Most of them have ridiculous business plans, they're in terrible financial shape, and they're likely to decline 90% or more within a year, regardless of how low their price already seems. There's a lot better options out there with a lot less risk on the NASDAQ and on the New York Stock Exchange. However, if you insist in investing in this high-risk section of the market, we've developed this software which we hope you'll find extremely useful in studying and understanding the forces that move the penny stock. This is a quick tutorial which is going to show you how to use our application to get research reports and also how to use our database. On the main tab, when you first open up the application, the first thing you'll see is this daily promotometer, and it shows is today a strong day or a weak day for promotion. The next item, it shows how much was paid for promotions in the day, so you can see exactly how much money went into sending out these emails for the day. Next to that, you'll see the futures on the NASDAQ and how much time before the market opens. In this window right here, you can see what exactly are the new promotions today, which are the ones which should have an effect on stock prices. And we sort them by not by how many emails went out, but by how much money went into the promotions. The next tab of the application, in case there happens to be 30 or 40 large promotions today, and it doesn't fit all on the main screen, we have a separate tab which just shows you the additional ones. On the sub-tab over here where it says newsletters, you can see all of the different penny stock newsletters that we follow and everything that they sent out today. We also give users the ability to search our entire database, and they can look up any company and see what is the history of the company. You could see here all of the different times it was promoted by newsletters, whether it went up or whether it went down, how much they paid, and exactly which newsletter was promoting it. Right after the date where we make this display here, we show the maximum profit that you would have got had you bought on the open and sold at the high for the day. And then we show the closing profit, which means had you bought at the open and held to the close. And often this maximum profit is going to be a lot stronger, and holding to the close on these things is not advisable. So you can use this stock lookup to get the history of any stock, and you could just enter the symbol or the company name and you could see the promotion history of any particular company. The other way that we allow users to query our database is by an email lookup. So you can start with selecting a day range, and I'm going to select here from August 1 to August 30th, and then you could view all emails from all promoters or narrow it down to a particular promoter. In this case, I'm going to select jumping penny stocks. And you can see every email that this particular promoter sent out and how much they were able to move the stock price. You could really get a view of the effectiveness of a particular newsletter. In addition to searching by newsletter, you can search by third party, which is the company that paid for this promotion. So I want to see what did Winning Media do in this same time period. And looking at Winning Media, I can see that a lot of their stuff had small profits. Some of them ended down, some of them ended up. Typically the amount of money that was able to be made was a very small amount. So this would tell me that maybe a promoter's good, but the guy who's paying for this promotion doesn't really have such a great reputation, and maybe it's one to avoid. The next thing that we offer is our research reports. You can look up any research report by the company symbol, by the company name, and then it will just give you a list of reports. Like if I put here the symbol, I put Microsoft, then you just click on the View Report button and you'll see the full research